Rasgulla is a popular sweet dish from the Indian subcontinent. Here's a recipe for making rasgulla at home. Ingredients: 1 liter full cream milk, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 cup sugar, 4 cups water, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, crushed, optional. Instructions: in a heavy bottomed pan, heat the milk over medium heat. When it starts boiling, add lemon juice gradually and stir until the milk curdles completely and separates from the whey. Once the milk has curdled, remove the pan from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Strain the curdled milk through a muslin cloth or a fine sieve. Rinse the cheese under running water to remove any traces of lemon juice. Squeeze out the excess water from the cheese and knead it with your palms for 5 to 6 minutes until it is smooth and has no lumps. Divide the cheese into small balls of equal size. Add sugar, water, and crushed cardamom pods to another pan and boil it. Once the sugar has dissolved, add the cheese balls to the pan. Cover the pan with a lid and let the rasgullas cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Once the rasgullas have doubled in size and are spongy, turn off the heat and let them cool to room temperature. Transfer the rasgullas along with the syrup into a container and chill in the refrigerator for a few hours before serving. Your homemade rasgullas are now ready to be served. Enjoy!